Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the night mode on your Steam Deck. And this could also help with your eye problems that you're having on your Steam Deck, if your eyes are getting sore or something like that. So what you could do at any point in time is hit the button with three little dots on it. And it'll open up the quick settings here. And scroll on down to the quick settings. And go on over to night mode and just press A on this and turn it on. Now, if you just turn it on simply like this, you're not able to adjust the tint. So what you want to do is hit Steam, go on down to Settings, scroll on down to Display, and then go on under here until we get to Night Mode. It says Enable Night Mode until morning. So we want to go ahead and just turn this on. So it's on all the time. So you can schedule it between a certain time. So maybe just do from like 3 a.m. to, I don't know, 4 a.m. or something like that. So it's always on. And then we can go to the night mode tint. And if we really have bad eye problems, well, it could be because the PWM, the flicker that's on the screen. Otherwise, it could simply be because of, some sort of eye strain from looking at a screen too long. But sometimes reducing the amount of blue light on the screen by adding like a red filter like this will help your eyes in terms of just getting strained or getting headaches or migraines or something like that. But if you still are getting headaches, look into pulse width modulation, PWM. I know the Steam Deck OLED has pretty bad PWM, so you might be getting headaches because of that. But you could also try just turning on the night mode and see if that helps you out. And then just mess around with the peak saturation and the primary hue and see if having a little bit more of a red tint will aid you there. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.